Are you tired of snoring? With the advanced sensor technology, the Snore-Stopping Smart Pillow Stream 2 continuously monitors your neck for any vibrations that indicate snoring. Once detected, it will adjust the intervention intensity in real time to reduce the snoring. The beauty of Stream 2 is its non-intrusive nature. There's no need to worry about your privacy being invaded because there's no recording involved. Stream 2 monitors heart and breathing rates through highly sensitive sensors capable of detecting subtle bodily changes during sleep. The data collected is then transmitted in real time to the dedicated mobile application. Here, you can view detailed graphs and reports of your sleep patterns.